Hey guys, how's it going? Let's talk about AEW Dynasty 2025. Firstly, and as always, this video in no way has been designed to deceive anyone. There is no actual footage in this video. This video is audio only, and this video has been created to still photos only due to copyright issues. If you wish to watch this episode or pay-per-view of All Elite Wrestling, then head over to their social media platforms and I'm sure they'll help you out, or subscribe to the correct platforms. If you wish to provide yourself with a free alternative of watching wrestling, then subscribe to the All Elite Wrestling YouTube and social media pages. I am here to provide you with audio only updates of what has taken place on any All Elite Wrestling show. I am here to promote All Elite Wrestling. I am here to promote professional wrestling, support professional wrestling, pay for professional wrestling if you love it so much. Guys, there is only one thing left for me to say to you right now. Stay tuned for more.